You may not have realized it, your dream home might be in the heart of Tanah Merah. Singapore landed property here. My name is Spore.
And I'm Francis.
We present to you this beautiful semi in the heart of Tanah Merah. Hi, follow me to your next new home. Look at this. Wonderful space, vibrant colors, good choice of layout, nice view into your garden. This lovely contemporary kitchen offers a very beautiful island dining. Just beside the living to the dining room is the beautiful swimming pool where you can take a refreshing dip when the temperature gets too hot in Singapore. Additionally, the 7 fully ensuite bedrooms comes with brand new and renovated marble and timber floorings, along with all rooms being fully air conditioned to beat the heat. With a private lift that serves all levels and your needs, you never have to worry about getting about the house. Make some popcorn and catch blockbusters or TV shows in this majestic home theatre. Bring your friends up to the level 4 entertainment deck, where we have pool, we have arcade, and a lot of space for you to chill, enjoy, maybe over a glass of whiskey as well. If you want to have a breather of fresh air, there's a lovely sky terrace that awaits you, where you can enjoy beautiful sunset every evening. Furthermore, the house is just a short walk away from the East Village and Bedok shopping complex to provide you with a wide range of dining and shopping options. I hope you enjoyed the video experience of the house so far. This is Spore from Singapore Landed Property.
I'm Francis.
Give us a call today to view the actual house and enjoy the full experience of this beautiful semi in the heart of Tanah Merah. Give us a call today.